Welcome to Singing with Ron! So, when you're learning to belt and learning these contemporary sounds, you have to modify your vowels, especially when you get up into those higher notes. So, everything starts to turn into what IPA, in IPA is called, International Phonetic Alphabet, is called schwa. So it's not Hear what happens to the boys, But when you start to go so those high notes, take on a core in your throat that is very much how you would make an sound, or all of those things. So, so E is a very difficult vowel to belt. E. But if you think more, if you go back to the and then go to I believe, you start to find how you can say E in a belty way that is not going to make you I believe and cut everything down on you or shut down your throat. The other vowel that's really hard is oo. Oh, ooh is just very naturally operatic. So what you need to find is the moon. Yeah. Ew. So it's more based on an oo sound. You change to O is is on the inside and O with your lips. And a just naturally belts. Usually just naturally belts. O, oo, e. There we go. So those are your main vowels. So when you're belting and you're going up into those higher notes, start going through your words and just yell them, right? And Fiero, Fiero is a way to just finding how those belty vowels help you to belt up there. So start playing with that.